Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you 775 DC motor unboxing and testing. Here you can see that I buy from daraz.pk. Now let's open it. There is 12 volt DC 775 motor. Now let's turn on this motor. And here you can see that RPM of this motor. In next project I will in next project I will made drill machine using this DC 775 motor. Here you can see that this power of this drill machine. So go to my channel, subscribe and press bell icon to receive my next project notification. Have a great day.